back to a brand new video. So during this video I just want to take you through the two trades that I took last week and analyzed it about 2 weeks before last week. The trades that I took is AUDUSD and Jpy. So I just want to speak you through what the things is that I saw and why I took these trades, and then let's get into it. So let's start off with AUDUSD. So this is the AUDUSD trade right over here, like you can see here, AUDUSD. So let's just get into it and let's see what was the things I looked for. So on the higher time frame, I obviously looked for the sell, and if you zoom in right here, you'll obviously see the confluence as to why I was looking for that sell. Let's just see if I can turn this a bit down here. So what I looked at, this is the 1 hour time frame over here. So 1, 2, and then a possible third touch. Let's just go to the 4 hour time frame so that you understand the structure better. So over here I have the 1, the 2, and the market was around here. So what I was anticipating was that third touch over there. So that's clear that I was looking for the third touch. So now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So now that you know I was looking for this third touch over here, let's remove that. So what then happened was the market started trickling up over here. As you can see is this horizontal line. So that was a line of significance for me, for the market to get to and then push down. And then you can obviously see that the market came up and it created that third touch on that upper 4 hour trend line. You can see on that rejection beautifully we caught that trade, and the market started trickling down to this area over here, which would, just keeping it safe, you can also see that we have this 1, 2, and then the possible third touch over there. You can see that the market obviously started going up. So that's my trade on AUDUSD. Fairly happy with how the analysis went on this trade. Yeah, really happy with how the analysis went here. Higher time frame structure, let's just look at it. So this is how it looks on the daily time frame at the moment. That structure on the daily time frame. So we'll obviously clear the chart again, and then let's go to Jpy. So let's just have a look at Jpy. So on the higher time frame, this is what we looked at on Jpy. We can obviously see that we're looking for the sells over there. This is on the daily time frame, like you can see. So let's just move on to the 1 hour time frame and not waste any further time. So you can obviously see that this huge structure here is just one huge corrective nature to the upside. Here you can see that the market made a third touch that we were waiting for as well for a couple of weeks, days. So just to outline it here on the daily time frame, you have 1, 2, and here you have your third touch. So that's pretty much straightforward over there. 1, 2, and 3. So that's straightforward in terms of what we were looking for on the daily time frame. So let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So now that we know that the market made that third touch on the daily time frame over there, obviously what we wait for is the first form of correction. Here you can see that the market was going on this bearish channel, and then once again we can outline the one over here 2, and then the possible third touch. In this instance, you can once again see that I have my horizontal line running over here. So the horizontal line is there for reference that the market can actually go to here. You can see this trade was actually right here on this horizontal line, and then from there you can see the market just went up a bit, and then the market started trickling down, came to this area over here. If you just go to the higher time frame, you can once again see that it's a 1, 2, and then a third touch. Market just pushed up a little, but like we know, the 90% rule is that once we get that break, we could see that the market gets to this area over here, which is known as our 90% rule. So that's the trade on GBP JPY. So guys, now that you've seen my analysis on Jpy JPY as well as AUDUSD, you can basically see that the analysis is pretty much the same. Everything is the same. The things that I looked for was the channel, looked at the higher time frame structure, came down to the lower time frames, looked at the structure on the lower time frames, and made sure that that structure was aligning with my bias on the higher time structure. And from there I was just building the confluence until I had enough confluence to take the trade. And as you can see, I waited for confirmation from the market. I wasn't in a hurry to get in there. I got all the correct signs, I had my horizontal lines in place, and I waited for that most important third touch from the market on the trend line. And that's exactly what I needed here on this trade. As you can see, both trades was executed to the point. Both trades never actually went into the stop loss area, and both trades hit take profit. So with this analysis here, I'm fairly happy with how the week went. I'm happy with how the analysis went, and I look forward to the rest of the week. So I'll catch you guys next time.